Hey everyone, need access to government services like the IRS, VA, or Social Security? You'll first need an ID.me account. This quick guide will walk you through creating in 2025. So, first of all, you have to visit the website of the service unit such as IRS, GOV, or va.gov and look for the id.me sign in options. Click on it, then select create an id.me account. You can also directly browse for id.me and just click on sign in, and you can just simply sign up from here also. So after that, you have to input your personal email address and create an id.me account. I'll just click on that, and here as you can see, you have to click your personal email address. You have to give your password, and afterwards clicking you have to click on I accept the id.me terms of service and privacies and remember me, and after that you have to click on create now account, and after that you have to input your personal email address and create a strong password. After submitting, check your email for a confirmation link and click it to the verify your address. Next, setup with multi-factor authentication by choosing a method like SMS or an authenticator app, and after that you have to verify an identity to i.me. Like, you'll need to verify identity by uploading a government issued ID or such as a driver license or passport. Additionally, take a clear video selfie as prompt, and if the system can't verify you automatically, you may be directed to a short video call with a trusted referee. And once verified, your id.me account grants access to various federal and state services securely. And remember to keep your login credentials safe and up to date. So see you in the next video.